Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to my home, and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here today, my name is Rebecca. I am so happy to be in here in my kitchen, having everything off of my countertops except for my coffee maker and just a couple of things that I've left there. After the holidays are now over, I'm so happy to get in here and clean things up. And I know that I will still be doing a spring clean, but this just helps it along the way. This is sort of like a kitchen refresh. And I just want to thank each and every one of you who watch my videos, because in some way I hope that I motivate you, but you guys motivate me in so many different ways just by watching. This motivates me to get in my kitchen and in different areas of my home. When I create these videos for you, it motivates me to clean my kitchen, my area that I'm showing you, in a really good way. Because I have to say that after all these years, guys, I am really burnt out. I'm burnt out on cleaning. We're retired. You think, well, you've got all the time in the world. I used to be able to clean my house in about 3.5 hours. That was doing all the bedding, dusting, mopping, vacuuming, and everything like that. But now I'm lucky to do one room in a day. So, I'm just not that motivated. I'm not that active anymore. And, it's just almost like a total burnout. But by creating these videos for you guys and decorating, a little bit of cleaning and a whole lot of decorating allows me to get inspired and motivated to get this stuff done. And it helps me keep up on my house. Now, when I am cleaning, I like to start from the top and work my way down, because I don't know if you can see it, but the dust, because I have not cleaned really good, because I went straight into Thanksgiving decorating from the fall, and then straight into Christmas, and then right into winter decorating. So here I am starting to do pre-spring clean, and I'm happy to be getting this done. And I want to get it done early because I like spending some of my time outdoors. And this year, especially this year, I have my she shed that I want to work on, and my garden area outside my she shed. So I'm extremely excited about that. And I will take you guys along with me on my decorating journey for my she shed, along with what I want to put in there, and some of my garden area. So Mr. Fix-It is going to help me probably quite a bit. Who am I fooling? I'm not fooling anybody. He's my right arm and half of my left. What can I say? We do a lot of cooking. We cook in our kitchen every day, and each evening when we're done, we run our dishwasher, we put things up, we wipe things down. But over time, it does get a little dirty and things built up. Now, I wanted Mr. Fix-It to do the caulking between the tile and the countertop, but he said with the temperature still, up and down, hot and cold, he said now's not the time to do it. So we'll have to wait and do that another time. But for now, I'm moving everything out and cleaning it, cleaning the top of my refrigerator, cleaning my blinds. My blinds are so dusty. And I think a lot of it that created a lot more dust this year is that we run our fireplace. Our fireplace was used when our electric went off, and also when the Arctic air stream came down and our air unit, our heat unit, really wasn't heating. So it went into auxiliary heat, and that's almost like cool air coming through. But we were able to use our fireplace and stay warm, and I have plenty of extra candles if our electric did go out, so may not can watch any TV, but we definitely could sit by a candlelight and read a book. Okay guys, let me share with you what I've got going in my kitchen for my pre-spring reset. I have my rooster over here. I have some farmhouse eggs, the Old Country brand canister set. And I did purchase those, the greenery back there, the eucalyptus plants at Hobby Lobby. I wanted some of those for a pre-spring, really spring and summer. You can use those all year round. And I got down a different scale. I've got several black and white tea towels, lots of cutting boards, a little bit of ironstone. And so let me put this together and then we'll go over it. I've already put up my curtains and I do have a rug. I found my black and white rug and I probably need to replace that, but I'm going to go ahead and use it again this year. So let me go ahead and get this all set up and then we'll do a farmhouse kitchen mini tour. Guys, here is my pre-spring reset in my kitchen. So let me give you a little mini tour of what all I've done. I'm just going to set this to music, so enjoy.